Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. In this class we will discuss paper number 344. See the first one, directions 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions below. 8 persons sit in a linear row and face north. All of them work in a company of different designations like CMD, CEO, COO, CFO, manager, AM and HR and intern. Okay, so here we have totally 8 persons. These are sit in a linear row. All are facing north, it is the right side and it is the left side. So all are facing north direction. Starting from S. S sits third to the right of P, who is CMD, and either of them sit on the extreme ends of the row. So S is third to the right of P and P is the CMD, and in S and P both are either one person is sitting corner of the table. So S is third to the right of P. 2, 3. And next point, 2 persons sit between S and the one who is intern. T is an immediate neighbor of S and sits third to the left of V. Okay, so T is the immediate neighbor of S and he is sitting third to the left of V. Third to the left of V. So P and S here, and P is the CMD, and next 2 persons sit between S and who is intern. So P and S and intern. Here is intern and here left side is already P is there. So here intern is there, and next T is an immediate neighbor of V. So T is an immediate neighbor of S, T, and next and sits third to the left of V. So third to the left of V. Suppose V is there 1, 2, 3. Next coming to this one. So suppose V is there 1, 2, 3. 2 possibilities. Next 4 persons sit between V and U, who is COO. Between V and U there are totally 4 persons are there. U is COO. Next coming to this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here already P is there. So this possibility is not required. Next point, the number of persons sit left of R is same number of persons sit right of W. So left of R is equals to right of W. Next point, R is not in term. R is not in term. Only 2 places we left. This place, so this place and this place. So here W is there, and coming to here R is placing. The one who is AM sits second to the left of Q, and here Q is there. So AM is second to the left of Q, who is CFO. Who means Q? Q is CFO and AM is second to the left of Q. The one who is CEO sits left of the one who is manager, but sits to the right of the one who is HR. So and HR is there, already P is CMD, HR is there, and next CEO is left of manager and right of HR. So here CEO, T is CEO, and next V is manager. Okay, so it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. So see the first question. Who among the following HR? So HR is R. Who among the following sits second to the right of Q? Second to the right of Q, that is V. The number of persons sit left of U, same number of persons right of dash. So left of U is 2 persons, right of Q is also 2 persons. How many persons sit between R and V? So between R and V, so there are totally 5 persons are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. None of these. We don't have 5 option. Question number 5. So which of the following does not belonging into the group? So P and U, between both 1 person is there. T and W 1 person, and Q and V. So here also 1 person is there. S and R, here also 1 person, and U and T, here also 1 person. And coming to the S and R, so S is right of R. So S is right of R. Remaining all persons are, first person is the left of second person. Okay, so option D is the answer. Next point, next question, 6 to 8. So here we have syllogism. See the first one. only a few second is minute. So, only a few second is minute. Only minute is hour. So, only minute is hour, it means all hour is minute, only minute has rights on hour. Few minute is time. So, few minute is time, few means some. Conclusions, some hour can be time. So, first one is not correct. Why? Because only minute is hour. All time can be second. So, all time can be second, it is definitely follows. Option 2 is follows. Question number 7. Only a few chess is carom. So, only a few chess is carom. Some carom are ludo. Mostly ludo is monopoly. Mostly means some. Conclusions, all carom can be chess. So, all carom can be chess definitely follows. Why? Because only a few chess is carom. Only a few chess is carom. Suppose if all chess can be carom anedi, it is definitely not follows. ఓకే, అన్ని చెస్లు క్యారమ్లోకి వెళ్ళే ఛాన్స్ లేదు, కానీ అన్ని క్యారమ్స్ చెస్లోకి వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ వన్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఫాలోస్. సమ్ మోనోపోలీ క్యాన్ బి చెస్. సో మోనోపోలీ హియర్, చెస్ హియర్, దెర్ ఈస్ నో రిలేషన్, డెఫినెట్ రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ బోత్. సెకండ్ వన్ డస్ నాట్ ఫాలోస్, ఓన్లీ వన్ ఫాలోస్. సమ్ మోనోపోలీ క్యాన్ బి చెస్ కదా. సో క్యాన్ బి చెస్ కాబట్టి క్యాన్ బి డెఫినెట్లీ ఫాలోస్. వై? బికాస్ ఓన్లీ సమ్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ డెఫినెట్లీ క్యాన్ బి అనేది డెఫినెట్లీ ఫాలో అవుతుంది. So, both 1 and 2 follows. Next, question number 8. Only a few September is October. Only a few September is October. All November is September. And next, only September is December. It means all December is September. Okay. So, only September has rights on December. That's the point. So, see the first conclusion. All December can be November. So, all December can be November definitely not follows. Why? Because only September is December. Some November can be October. So, November here, October here. So, some November can be October can be definitely follows. Only 2 is follow. Next, 9 to 13. 10 persons were born in 5 different months of the year starting from August to December, but 2 different dates, 10th and 15th. So, 10th and 15th of each month there are totally 10 persons are born. So, starting from August, September, October, November and finally December. So, each month has 2 dates. It is the dates. So, what are the dates? 10th, 15th. 10th and 15th. Next. So, it is the first possibility, second possibility. So, 2 possibilities at a time. See the first one. K was born in the month which has odd number of days. So, August 31 days, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31 days. So, K was born on the month which has odd number of days. Next point, 6 persons were born between K and D who was born after K. D was born in last. So, D was not born in December 15th. So, suppose if K here, between K and D there are totally 6 persons. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here D is placed. Second possibility, K and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here D is born. Here D is born. And D was not born in the last. So, we have 2 possibilities. Next point, 2 persons were born between D and S. So, between D and S there are 2 persons are there. Here S is there. Number of persons born before S, same number of persons born after G. So, before S 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here G is placing. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here G is placing. R was born on an even number of date and the month which has even number of days. So month is also even number and day is also even number. So see the first possibility, and September has 30 days, so here R is placing. And coming to the second possibility, here either R here or here, and here also R వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది and also R వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. Next, 5 persons were born between R and F. So between R and F, suppose R September 10th తీసుకుంటే 1 2 3 4 5, here F is placing. Suppose November 10th తీసుకుంటే 1 2 3 4 5, here already K is ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ R అనేవాడు రాడు. ఇక్కడ సేమ్ ఇక్కడ చూస్తే R ఇక్కడ ఉంది 1 2 3 4 5, here R is there 1 2 3 4 5, ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ D ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ R రాడు. So here F is placing. Next, so 5 persons were born between R and F who was born in the same month as P. So F is born same month as P, here already K is there, so this possibility not correct. Next point, Z was born before V and after H. So this place we have this place and this place, three places we have H, Z and V. It is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question, 9th question. How many persons were born between V and P? So between V and P there are 2 persons are there. Who among the following was born 15th September? So 15th September Z. H was born in which of the following month? So H is born in August. Who among the following third youngest person? Third youngest person in the sense, so that is D. So D is the third youngest person. 4 of the following 5, so which one does not belong into the group? So see R. R was born 10th September. H was born 15th August. G was born 15th October. D was born 15th and P was born 15th. Only R was born on 10th. Next, 14 to 16. 14 to 16. So answer the following questions based on the given information. 7 hockey players H, I, J, K, L, M and N at the different positions each other hockey ground. So starting from N. N is 14 meters to the west of K, who is 10 meters to the west of H. Next, J is east of N. So see, starting from N. N is 14 meters to the west of K. So N is 14 meters to the west of K. K is 10 meters to the west of H. K is 10 meters to the west of H. Next point, J is east of N. So compare with the N, J is the east of N. The distance between H and N. So between H and N is twice the distance between J and N. So J is the west of N. Between N and H, 14 plus 10, that is 24. 24 is the twice the distance between J and N. So between so N and H it is 24, then N and J it is 12 meters. So and also J is east of N. It means suppose from K to N is 14 meters, then J is placing here. What is the distance here? So distance is, it is 12 meters. It is 12. From J to K it is 2 and K to H that is 10. Next point. L is 16 meters north of J. So L is 16 meters north of J. M is 12 meters east of L. So see, 2 plus 10 that is 12. Okay, completely this is 12 meters and M is 12 meters east of L. So it is also 12 meters. Here M is there. Both M and H is in straight line. M is 10 meters to the north of I. So M is 10 meters to the north of I. So it is the final arrangement, and let us move on to the questions. Question number 14. What is the shortest distance between J and H? So J and H it is 10 plus 2, that is 12 meters. In which direction is L with respect to K? So L with respect to K, so obviously northwest. In which direction M with respect to H. So, M here and H here. Obviously, M is north of H. How many pair of letters are there in the word masculine? Both forward and backward in English alphabetical series. So, starting from M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, A, B, C. So, A, B, C, it is the one pair. D, E, F, G, H, S, T, U. So, S, T, U, S and U, it is the second pair. Next, V, W, X. So, C, D, E, F, G, H, U, V, W, X, J, K, L, M, N. So, L and N. So, total 3. Next, I, J, K. Next, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So, E and M, it is the one pair. N, O, P, Q, R, S. So, N and S, it is the one more pair. Next, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So, L, M, N, O, P, Q, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, C, D, E, F, S, T, U, V. So, only 5 pairs we are getting. So, only 5 pairs we are getting. 18 to 22. 18 to 22. So, here we have one more puzzle. 6 persons are living on different floor of 6-story building. Ground floor is number 1 and just above number 2 and so on till topmost floor, 6th floor. For Diwali, each of them made Rangoli on their floor in different colors. So, totally 6 persons. So, total 6 floors. And next 6 persons, and next they are making Rangoli with 6 colors. So, it is the person, it is the color, and next again person, color, 2 possibilities. So, see the first one. B lives on an even numbered floor, but neither made Rangoli hazel nor purple color. Okay, so, B lives in even numbered floor. 3 persons live between B and the one who made Rangoli green color. So, between B and green there are 3 persons are there. So, B lives in even numbered floor 1, 2, 3. Here green color is there. Coming to the second possibility. So, ఒకవేళ మనం బీని ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేసుకుంటే 1, 2, 3 ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎక్కడే కానీ గ్రీన్ని ప్లేస్ చేయడానికి ఉండదు. సో, టేక్ బీ ఇన్ సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ 1, 2, 3. హియర్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ ఈజ్ దేర్. Here green color is there. Next, one person live between and also B is not made Rangoli with a hazel nor purple. So, hazel nor purple. Okay, it is the condition. Next, one person live between one who made Rangoli green and blue color. So, green and blue, one person is there. Next, E lives below the one who made Rangoli in blue color, but not just below. So, E is not just below, and E does not make Rangoli purple nor green. So, E is not purple nor green. Okay. And also he is below blue, but not immediately below. So, here E is placing, and coming to this one, here also E placing. Next point, and next point. Number of persons live below A is same number of persons live between above E. So, here above E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, below A is also 5 persons is there. So, here already B is there, this possibility is not correct. So, coming to E here and A placing here. D lives above the one who made Rangoli in purple color, but not just above. And the next point. So, where we can place D? So, suppose if D is placing here, and suppose here yellow not yellow, it is the purple. Why? Because not immediately above. So, it is the one possibility. And next, E is not purple. Okay, maybe B చూస్తే B వచ్చేసి B is also not hazel nor purple. B is also not hazel or purple. Okay, only purple is placing here. E is also not purple. Next point, The one who made Rangoli in yellow color lives above the one who made Rangoli in violet color. Okay, so violet color. And next, C lives above F. So C lives above F. E does not make Rangoli violet color. So E is not violet also. Okay, and also what is the condition here? So yellow color is above violet. So suppose if you take violet here, here yellow is placing. Remaining here Hajal is placing. Okay, so it is the final arrangement. So it is the final arrangement. So let us move on to the questions. Questions like eldam okkasari. Total 5 questions is there. See the first question, how many persons live between E and F? So between E and F there are one person is there. Which of the following color does D use? That is yellow. The number of persons above D is 1 less than the number of persons below. Above D is 1, below F is 2. So F is the answer. Which of the following is true? A does not live below the one who made Rangoli yellow. Not correct. Next, C does not make Hajal. So C vachesi not make Hajal. It is also not correct. E lives second floor. It is also not correct. So none is true. Who lives on the topmost floor? So topmost floor, A green. So A is the answer. Next, inequalities. So see the first one, Z greater than T. So G greater than T. So G here. So T to G, it is definitely follows. U less than or equal to P. So U here and P here, both opposite signs are there. Second one not follows. Only one is the answer. D greater than B. So D here, B here. So here both opposite signs are there. Sorry, first one is not correct. Coming to the second one, K less than or equal to L. So K here and L here. Here also both opposite signs are there. So D equal to K. It means instead of K we can write D also. L equal to B. Instead of L we can write V also. So here it is not correct, it is also not correct, but both are complementary pair. Okay, so either one or two follows. Next, 25th. So Z less than M. So Z here, M here, both opposite signs are there. First one is not correct. P greater than A. So P here and A. So A less than P follows. Okay, second one is follow. 26 to 30. 10 persons from A to J sit around a circular table facing towards the center, but not necessarily in the same order. Consecutive named persons as per the alphabetical series neither sit adjacent nor sit opposite to each other. Okay, consecutive names అంటే పక్క పక్కన వచ్చే నేమ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవి రెండు కూడా నాట్ అడ్జసెంట్ అండ్ నాట్ ఆపోజిట్. Okay, it is the condition. So totally 10 persons are there. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, coming to the second possibility, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it is the possibility, or else you will take clearly. 10 persons ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So opposite to each other. Next, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two possibilities at a time. See the first one. First point, two persons sit between A and G. Who sits immediate right of E? So between A and G, all are facing center. So A and G is immediate right of E. Coming to the second possibility, G and so G and A and E here, he is placing here. And next, two persons sit between B and I, who doesn't sit adjacent to A. So I is not placing here, I is not placing here, and two persons sit between B and I. So B is also not B not here, B not here, and also B is not here. Why? Because A and B both are adjacent to each other kabatti English alphabetical series prakaram. So where we can place B and I is also not adjacent to A. So in first possibility suppose if I is placing here, so I is placing here, and so 1 2 here B is placing, it is the one possibility. Between both two persons are there. Okay. Next, coming to the second one, so I and B, suppose if B is placing here, so I is placing here. Okay, I is placing here, it is the second possibility. Next point, I does not sit opposite to A, so I here opposite to A kabatti, so here also I is not placing. So inka manam ekkada manam place chesukochu. Suppose if I is there 1 2 here B is placing, so B and A both are opposite to each other kabatti, so this possibility not required, this possibility not, according to conditions second possibility not required. And next point చూద్దాం. So H sits immediate right of C and equal number of persons sit between D and J from both sides. So H sits immediate right of C. Suppose if C is placing here, C and A both are opposite to each other, this one is not required. Suppose if C is placing here, H is placing here, H is opposite to B, next C is opposite to G, so this one is correct. Next point, equal number of persons sit between G and J from both sides. Okay, so D and J, suppose if I place D here, both E and D immediate neighbors aitharu kabatti this one is not required. So here J is placing, here D is placing, the remaining person F is coming here. So it is the final arrangement. No two consecutive persons are adjacent and no two persons are immediate opposite to each other. So let us move on to the questions. See the question. How many persons sit between D and G when counted from left of D? So D and G, left of D, that is 2 persons are there. Who among the following persons fourth to the left of H? 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is F. Who among the following person face F? So face F, that is A. What is the position of E with respect to C? So E with respect to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth to the right, fourth to the right. Number of persons sit between C and G, same number of persons between dash and dash. So between C and G, 1, 2, 3, 4 persons are there, and right side చూస్తే 5 persons, 4 persons, and left side నుండి కూడా 4 persons. ఎందుకు? Why? Because both are opposite to each other. So see, F and C not correct, and మనకు opposite ఉన్నట్టువి కావాలా. B and H, so B and H, so these two are opposite to each other. Next, 31 to 33. In a 3-generation family of 8 persons, there are 3 married couples. M is the only daughter-in-law of V. So M is the only daughter-in-law of V. Only daughter-in-law. It means M has a son. This person is married. M. Next point. J has 2 children and he has 1 sibling. So J has 2 children and 1 sibling. Next point. S is daughter of L. So who is parent of J? So here J kada. So S is daughter of L, who is parent of J. So S is daughter of L, who is parent of J. Next point. S is sister-in-law of M. So S is the sister-in-law of M and is unmarried. Is means S is unmarried. So here M is there. Here M is there. So definitely V and L both are husband and wife. So V and L both are husband and wife. So S is sister-in-law of M. So S is the sister-in-law of M. And this person both are children of V and L. So V and L. And next, who is coming here? So both S and J both are siblings kabatti here J is placing. And next point. So U is nephew of S. So U is the nephew of S. Next, T is sister-in-law of R. So T is the sister-in-law of R who has no siblings. V is not a mother of J. So V is not a mother of J means V is father of J. L is mother of J. Coming to this one, T is sister-in-law of R. So T is the sister-in-law of R, and next suppose చూద్దాం ఒకసారి, and who has no siblings. It means T is placing here and R here. Both R and V, both are husband and wife, and T is sister-in-law of U. Next, so this is the final arrangement of the blood relations. Total 3 generations we got. So కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ ఉంది, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోండి. సో చూద్దాం ఫస్ట్ వన్, హౌ ఎల్ రిలేటెడ్ టు టీ. సో ఎల్ హియర్ and T here. So L is the grandmother. Which of the following statement are not true? So first one, R is daughter-in-law of S. So R is daughter-in-law of S, not correct. Actually R is the daughter-in-law of M and J. So it is not correct, and we need to find not true. U is brother of T. So U is brother of T, correct. Number of females are more